Hi everyone, what I have today is a Union strongbolt I pulled off a door at work, and hopefully I'll be able to pick this for you, and I will try and explain a little more, as Pickbeard from the UK Locksport forum did say he would have liked if I had explained a little bit more in some of my videos, so I still don't know what I'm talking about, so here it goes. I'm using a 5 gauge tension tool, and the wire is an extended wire. Not your average mortise wire, it needs to be a little bit longer than that. Then I check, see if I can get under all of the levers, and it seems like I can. So I come back to lever 1 and just barely no movement, just touching it to see if I can feel it binding. Nothing on 1, 2's binding, there, and I can feel that's in gate now. Go to 3's binding. I don't know whether that's in gate there, but it is up. 4, nothing. 5, and that feels like it's in gate. So I check 3 and 5 for the height, because 3 and 5 are always the same. Come back to 4. 4. So I check 5 in gate, 4 in gate, 3 in gate, 2, and back to 1, and there, just touched on 1, and as you can see, the lock is over. So we will take a little look inside, see what levers we have. And there you have all the levers. The first one is a 7 with a false gate on the bottom. Gonna lose everything there. Try and push that back in a minute. And hopefully that doesn't stick anywhere. Try and get that out without taking all the other levers out. There. So lever 2 is a 2 with the false gate on the top. Lever 3 is a 4, and the false gate's on the bottom. So that means lever 5 will be a 4. Lever 4 is an 8. This is the first lock that I've ever seen 8 cut lever in, and if you look there, it barely has to be touched. So just going underneath it to lever 5, probably set that. And the false gate's on the bottom, so easily overset if you don't know it's in there. And lever 5 is a 4 with the false gate on the bottom. I hope that explained a little bit more. If it didn't, just please let me know in the comments, and I will try to do better next time. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye for now.